Ano ba?
Yeah.
White-tail bird. You wanna take a bath? Yeah. Hello. Yeah. It's just waiting for its timing. Ooh, joining his bed.
They did so.
More, more. Ah, finish. Found you. Mm. They're friends because they're not fighting. They're drinking together.
There's the male.
Everyone,
Let's just fly away when he comes.
everyone discovered it now. Oh my god. Had your share.
Every time we see there's a bad bottle die. Dan vra sy vir jou hoekom? Ek sê ja, dis my suikerrekening is 2 keer hoër as normaal. En nou dis 1 part sugar en 4 parts water.
Water, yeah.
Dis amper 'n suikerpot. So hoeveelheid op water.
Just my dad said he told his sister that bottle is quite bad because now his sugar bill is doubled.
At least I enjoy it.
Yeah.
And it is a rare bird, so
Oh my god, it's back again.
It's a very rare thing.
Yeah.
Hummingbirds.
Nature
The
conservation.
smallest hummingbird in the world goes
yeah, the size of my dad's pinky.
What?
Get them in
small thing like this.
get them in America.
Yeah.
They're almost like insects.
Yeah, it's the smallest bird in the world.
That's another female.
It's making so much noise.
Weer op die kyndraai was praat die bosman agter hom om te sê kyk daar, kyk
Yes.
hier dit hoe hy doen.
And when we see the animals, we will stop. We will stop if we can take pictures and that
Okay.
every time.
Nee, ek het vir my vriende tafels raak gewees en ook oor geslaap. Waar is my huis oor geslaap. En die moes hom buite kry in die restaurant. Maar wat sê jy moet weer?
Yeah, I guess for the about 3 hours that we are there, definitely for 600 rand is totally worth it.
Ja, voor the amount of animals.
You see,
Yeah.
because we even saw a Cape fox running, like he caught the bird and then he ran away.
Met die sangere. Ah,
It's quite a unique thing to see there.
Yeah.
ou porcupines.
No, we only saw at Giraffe House.